Aries November 2020 horoscope. November 2020 Aries horoscope predictions indicate that career and external aspirations will be important this month. Aries personality can forget about family affairs and emotional matters for the time being. This is a good time to study and correct the mistakes you have committed earlier in home affairs. Social engineering becomes important. The interests of others will have priority over the interests of the self. You have to cooperate with others and have a conciliatory approach in your actions. It is time to relax and watch the progress of things as they unfold with the actions of others. Aries health horoscope. There are further grounds to be a little careful about some back trouble. Avoiding strain would help this as well. Otherwise, you have an encouraging month on your hands during which favorable circumstances would prevent any serious health problems. Vitality can be maintained with some discipline in handling your activities. No major illnesses are predicted. You will have a positive and cheerful disposition. Try to relax as much as possible. Follow strict exercise and food routines. Minor ailments can be taken care of by normal medical care. Aries career horoscope. An excellent month for your career advancement, during which the stars are in a fairly obliging mood. There is a distant possibility of an old person or a female colleague doing you a favorable turn which would prove extremely beneficial. You will have the support of seniors and colleagues in accomplishing your career goals. Travel for professional purposes will prove to be helpful. Those engaged in fine arts and entertainment fields will do exceedingly well. Aries finance horoscope. November 2020 forecast for Aries zodiac finances is not very promising. Planetary influences are negative and you will not have many opportunities for monetary growth. Speculative activity could turn a difficult situation into an impossible one. There are chances that some of you would suffer serious losses from gambling and such like activities. You may therefore desist. Musicians, dramatists, filmmakers, and practitioners of the other arts would do well to make provisions for a rainy day, since they would face a trying time during this coming month. Aries education horoscope. November astrology 2020 for Aries does not augur well for academic interests. Technical students will have a difficult time managing their studies. Even hard work doesn't result in encouraging results. Competitive examinations will need more coaching and much more effort to get through. You have to wait patiently for good planetary aspects to help your educational prospect. Aries travel horoscope. November 2020 horoscope for Aries predicts that travel plans are quite beneficial. There will be plenty of travel within the country and overseas. Business and professional travels are profitable. Holiday tours and religious travels will turn out to be enjoyable and memorable. Aries love and relationship horoscope. Aries compatibility will be blissful and lively this month between married couples. There will be minor hiccups resulting in uncertainty and complexities due to planetary influences. Otherwise, love will be sensual and romantic throughout the month. Singles will have many opportunities to get into love alliances this month. You will be aggressive in your approach. Confirmed relationships will face some turbulence. Good ones will survive. Aries family horoscope predictions. 2020 monthly horoscope are cheerful for family issues. There will be plenty of celebrations and parties in the family atmosphere. The relationship with senior members of the family and children will be quite pleasant. In such an atmosphere, children would also do well in their studies and other extracurricular activities. This would be a source of much satisfaction for all members. Financially also, you all would do fairly well. In addition, there are chances of a sudden unexpected gain. Thanks for watching the video.